Welcome to Vacuum Wars, and to our in-depth review and comparison of two of the most popular robot vacuum mop combos that have plumbing-integrated water refill and drainage systems, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra and the Dreame X40 Master. Both of these products can be hooked up directly to your home's plumbing system so that you never have to worry about refilling the clean water tank or emptying the dirty water tank again, getting us one step closer to completely automated floor care. We bought both of them and have been putting them through various tests over the past few weeks, and in this video I'll reveal the results of those tests and pick which one of these Plumbots is our favorite. Let's start off by comparing their vacuuming hardware. The Roborock has a dual brush roller compared to the Dreame X40 Master, which has a single roller. They both have automatically extending side brushes, which is a relatively new feature for robot vacuums, and I found that both of the brushes really do seem to help with corner coverage. The Dreame has slightly higher official suction power at 12,000 pascals compared to 10,000 pascals on the Roborock S8 MaxV. And in the suction and airflow tests that we did, we were able to confirm that the Dreame X40 did have more raw power across the board than the Roborock S8 MaxV. In terms of vacuuming performance, like with sweeping up debris on hard floors and carpets, they were both excellent. They picked up all the types and sizes of debris we tested them with no issues. However, when it came to deep cleaning carpets, which we test by embedding sand into carpets and weighing their dustbins before and after a timed run, the Dreame X40 Master was quite a bit better. Interestingly, the Dreame X40 with its single roller was also better than the Roborock at resisting pet hair tangles, with only 26% of the 7-inch hair caught in the Dreame's roller as compared to 59% caught on the Roborock's rollers. Moving on to mopping, where they use very different hardware to mop floors. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra uses a vibrating single pad called Vibra-Rise, and the Dreame X40 Master uses two spinning mop pads. Both have automatic water dispensing, which you can control in the app. They both have hardware to help with edge mopping, though the Roborock's edge mop does not extend, where the X40 Master has an auto-extending pad, which has the added benefit of being able to swing under doors and other furniture for even better coverage. As far as actual mopping performance, in our dried-on stain mopping test, they had remarkably similar scores, though the Dreame was slightly better with a score of 92 to the Roborock's 88, but with the margin of error, those two scores might as well be a tie. But the real story with their mopping systems is their fully featured charging docks, where, in addition to being a charging dock, they're also a place for the robots to empty their dust bins into a disposable bag, automatically wash and dry their mop pads, and refill their onboard water tanks. But the big distinction with these two compared to most robot vacuums is that they both come with tubing and plumbing connections so that you can connect them to your house's plumbing system. There's lots of ways that you can hook these up to your house's plumbing, but ideally it would be next to a sink or toilet, or you could build a cabinet or a similar custom location. They both come with a remarkably similar 3-way diverter valve and right around the same amount of tubing, so there wasn't much of a difference in terms of what was included. I would say that although it's relatively easy to connect these to your house's plumbing, it is helpful to have a little bit of plumbing know-how. So if you know someone that's handy, it's definitely better to ask for their help. One thing to note is that the Dreame's dock is quite a bit longer than the Roborock's dock, and depending on where you want to put it, it could easily stick out too far if it's not built into a custom cabinet or something. The Roborock's dock is shorter and taller and would look more normal just against a wall. They have very similar features on their docks. For example, they both use hot water to wash their pads, hot air to dry their pads. They both have dirty water sensors and self-cleaning options. Moving on to obstacle avoidance. They both have front-mounted obstacle avoidance cameras and structured light sensors to recognize and avoid obstacles. While the Roborock got a respectable average score with the various obstacle avoidance tests we did, the Dreame was significantly better, getting one of the higher scores we've seen, in fact. The Dreame has also been programmed to recognize a higher number of objects at 120 compared to only 73 on the Roborock. So if obstacle avoidance is important to you, the Dreame X40 Master is definitely better. When it comes to battery life, we found the Dreame X40 Master to be better. Even though they have similar official battery life numbers on low power, in our tests, which we do on all of their power settings, we found the X40 Master was more efficient and had a much higher square foot per charge estimation. So while both their battery scores were above average, the Dreame X40 was better. They both navigate around the house in a similar way, in that they both use a top-mounted LiDAR sensor to map and navigate around the house. They both have multi-level mapping, fast mapping, and in our navigation and coverage tests, they both were amazingly good at getting around efficiently without getting stuck, though the Dreame X40 Master did end up with a higher navigation score here as well. As far as their apps, they're both some of the best in the business in my opinion, with seemingly every possible advanced software feature a robot vacuum can have. They both maintain excellent app scores on the app stores, with the main difference being that the Dreame doesn't have a virtual voice assistant where the Roborock does, though the Dreame can be used with Amazon Alexa and similar devices. So which one of these is better? When you add up all these scores, the Dreame X40 Master beat out the Roborock S8 MaxV by a significant amount, but it should be pointed out that both of their final Vacuum Wars scores were above average. And as of the time of writing this video, the Dreame X40 Master is currently ranking number 4 on the Vacuum Wars Top 20 list with its 4.5 stars, where the Roborock S8 MaxV is 11th with its 4 stars. Check out the links in the description and be sure to subscribe to Vacuum Wars before you leave. Thanks for watching. All of the links in the description are updated regularly to reflect our current favorite vacuums in multiple categories. You'll also find links to the Vacuum Wars website in the description, where we have more detailed lists of our favorite products, like our new Top 20 Robot Vacuums list, which is updated weekly.